Hey guys, I am back today to show you guys me using my cuticle bit from TODAC USA cuticle cleaning bit, which is this. It's very tiny. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. It's very tiny. I just took off my acrylic nails. I soaked them off, so my nails look terrible right now, but I haven't had a chance to use the bit on my nails, my natural nails, because I always have acrylics on. I think I used it one time on my mom's nails, so I wanted to give it a try on my nails. So I'm going to show you guys how that works out today. I haven't really did much to them. I did put on some cuticle remover. This is by Scratch Nails, Scratch of Sweden. And it's actually the prettiest cuticle remover I've ever seen. If you guys can see this, let me see if I can get it to focus. See that sparkle in it? Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty for it to be a cuticle remover. But yeah, and you guys can see from me soaking my nails off, my nails are they look terrible. But I'm gonna use a cuticle bit, and I may go over my natural nail with my fine cone bit, just to kind of clean them up a little bit. And yeah, that's it. So let's get started. Like I said, I already had added my my Scratch Nails cuticle remover, and I used this metal cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles on both of my hands. I didn't do like a super good job or anything, but you know, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my cuticle cleaning bit. I'm not a professional, I'm not a nail tech. I just, you know, am first timer using most of these things, and just, you know, taking you guys along for my first time ride. Alright, so I'm going to put it on forward, turn it up a little bit, not too much. I hope you guys can see. Let me see here. So I hope I'm doing this. I hope I'm doing this the right way, because I have not a clue. I don't think I've seen anyone use cuticle bit, E-drill cuticle bit yet. I haven't even looked it up, so I should have done that first just to make sure I'm doing this right. But we'll see here. I mean, I see stuff coming off, that's a good sign. From having on the acrylics, my cuticles are like kind of up in this area, so I can see that it's coming off. Yeah, it's taking this one off pretty good. I'm gonna go back over this middle nail a little more. Okay, so I'm done with that hand. If you guys can see, that's how it looks. So it looks like it did okay. Looks like I may need to go over it a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this hand next. Ooh, doing this hand is hard. Holding the machine. Guys. Woo. Gotcha. Well, let me see. They're still falling. Hold on. Okay. I think at times I'm not applying enough pressure either. So I need to learn how to push down a little bit harder, but you know, not too hard, because I am going kind of soft-handed, like barely getting in there. That's that hand. Looks okay. I think I'm gonna go over it a little bit more, and then I'm going to use my my fine. I'm gonna use the fine cone bit on the natural nail and see how that works with cleaning up the rest of my nail bed. I actually still have some acrylic left on my nails, so hopefully this will get off all of the excess acrylic. I'm gonna put it on my NAWE dry nail from Scratch Nails. This is good for brittle nails, peeling nails, to help strengthen and all of that good stuff. So I haven't been able to use it on my natural nails yet. I don't think. Have I used this yet? No, I don't think so. Probably just on someone else. Give this a try, and hopefully it will keep my nails from the little length I have, keep it from breaking. I need them to be nice and strong. Okay. So that's how they look.
With the nail dry nail. Nice and shiny.
So next I am going to add some color. I think, I don't know which one to go with, y'all.
This one I like. Simple colors are just pretty blue. I think I'll try this one since it's new. Actually, they're both new, but I haven't tried these yet. I did a nail video on them, so I'm going to give this one a try.
Like I said, from NAWE. and I am using my number, I think this is the 001 or is it the 06? I can't remember, but Egypt's cleanup brush and acetone polish remover to clean up any mess that I make. I already did my base coat of my scratch no dry nail, so I'm gonna finish up doing this hand here and see how this color turns out. I'm all done. I went ahead and finished both hands. I ended up using my Pure Ice, what is this one? Pure Ice Dazzle Me for a couple of accent nails, because I'm so not used to just having regular polish, polish on my regular nails. It just looks so weird to me. But I really like the color of NAWE, the one that I cannot pronounce. Beautiful color. I do really like it, and I do like it with the glitter. So that's how it turned out. Thank you guys as always so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon with another video.